just go directly to our dance now. So before that, we'll just go for little warm-ups. Okay, can we? Little bit of warm-ups. Can everybody please stand up? Yes. Now, just stand. And we'll do little bit of warm-ups now. Just try to lift your leg. Yes, everybody now. Now, hands up and bend. Yes, bend, bend. Now turn, turn. Stand straight and turn. Now try sitting like this and get up. Yes, bend now, down, down, and bend like this. Yes, everybody, I want everybody to do. So now we will learn the first thing of Bharatanatyam is we have to learn Namaskara. Okay, Namaskara means praying. Okay, so Namaskara in Bharatanatyam means you have to do a small step which indicates Namaskara in Bharatanatyam. Okay, so first we have to learn that is the first thing we will do before we start our practice or dance or whatever, and we just end with that. Okay, can everybody please stand? See, keep your hands like this, not like this. I'm seeing some of the students keeping it like this. Keep it like this. Yes, I want everybody to stand straight and tap your right leg on your shoulder. Stretch again. On your toes. Now sit like this. Now do Namaskara. Sit. Everybody sit. Try sitting like this. Yes. Now Namaskara. This Namaskara we are doing for God, and this is the Namaskara we are doing for you, and this Namaskara we are doing for the audience down to the stage. And like this. Join your hands and get up. Left leg. Stretch. On your shoulder. Stretch again. Stand on your toes and sit. Here, down to the stage, and again here. Join your hand and get up. Clear now, everybody? Anybody has doubts? Namaskara. This is the first thing, as I told you before. This is the first thing we will do when we start our. Then again, when you end, you have to do Namaskara. Okay. So now after Namaskara, now we have to learn little Adavus. Now what is Adavus? Does anybody knows what is Adavus? Some people have already learned little bit. No? Yes, Palak, what is Adavus? There are many Adavus as such, and moreover, for each Adavu, some of the Adavus have 2 to 3 names. So those are like very basic kind of a steps. So if you learn that, it will be very easy for us to do. So first we will learn first Adavu. First Adavu is, I think already Tanisi told what is first Adavu. First Adavu is Tattadavu. Okay, now what is Tattu? Tattu means tapping. Okay, so in this Tattadavu, we will all do just tapping our legs. Okay, so that is called Tattadavu. Now why we will do only tapping? Isn't it boring? No, it is not boring. Why? because we have to get balance to our Aramandi. Now, what is Aramandi? Aramandi is a very basic kind of a position we will learn in Bharatanatyam. Almost your 90% of your steps in Bharatanatyam, you have to do it with Aramandi. Okay, so now first we'll learn what is Aramandi position. Right? There should not sit like this. There should not be a gap. You should sit like this. Okay? Hands on your hips, everybody, and sit in Aramandi. Yes, this is called Aramandi position. Now, all these steps we have to do it with Aramandi. So we have to get balance to this Aramandi. So our first step is Tattadu, which is only tapping. I want everybody to sit in Aramandi and we'll see how long you can sit in Aramandi. Can we check that? Yes, sit in Aramandi now. You should not bend like this. Be straight. Adya Gowda, can you stand and sit in Aramandi? Did you understand the position? I want everybody to. Samiksha, where are you? Samiksha, yes, I think you're sitting completely. Sit in Aramandi. I just showed you. No? Can you do that? Hands on your hips. Sit in Aramandi. Saksham, can you sit in Aramandi? Adya, sit in Aramandi. I can't see. I can just see your face. Palak, where are you? Okay. It is difficult, isn't it? For first time, for everybody, it will be difficult. So, to get balance to this Aramandi, we are going to learn our first step, that is Tattadu. In Tattadu, we have 6 steps. Okay. Today, we will learn first step. Okay. Can we? Everybody stand up. Sit in Aramandi. And I saw 2 of them bending like this when you are doing in Aramandi. You have to be straight, sit in Aramandi. And I saw some students creating gaps like this and sitting. No, you have to sit like this. There should be no gaps. Okay, you have to sit in Aramandi. Now we'll move to our first step. Okay, Tat, Ya, Tam, Tai, Ya, Tam. Can everybody do? Tam. Hands on your hips. Tai, Ya, Tam. Tai, Ya, Tam. Tai, Ya, Tam. I'm seeing some are doing this. Don't do that. Be straight. Your leg should move. Tai, Ya, Tam. Tai, Ya, Tam. Don't do this. Be straight. Tai, Ya, Tam. Tai, Ya, Tam. Tai, Ya. Sit in Aramandi. Sit in Aramandi and do Tai, Ya, Tam. Lakshita, sit in Aramandi. Tai. Saksham, sit in Aramandi. Tai, Ya, Tam. Tai, Aramandi. Saksham. Tai, Ya, Tam. Adya in Aramandi. Tai, Ya, Tam. Tai, Ya, Tam. Tai, Ya, Tam. Tai, Ya, Tam. Now we will do little fast so that we can move to our second speed. Can we? We will do the same step but little fast. Every step has 3 speeds. Okay. Now you did first. Now we will do the same step little faster, so that will be our second speed. Can we? Yes. Get up. Sit in Aramandi now. 1, 2, 3. Start. Tai, Ya, Tam. 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 Adya, can you do? Tam. Tai, Ya, 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 Tam. Okay, now we will do really fast. Okay, that time it will be third speed. Okay, can we do that? Tai, Ya, Tam. Tai, Ya, Tam. Sit in Aramandi. Avyan, sit in Aramandi. Tai, Ya, Tam. Tai, Ya, Tam. Tai, Ya, Tam. Naisha, sit in Aramandi. Tayyatam, Tayyatam. Arna, sit in Armandi, do the step. Tayyatam, Tayyatam. Sachi, sit in Armandi. Tayyatam, 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 Tayyatam. So now are you clear? This is our first step of Tattadavu. So there are types of Bharatanatyam. Yes, Krisha is right. It's not like types of Bharatanatyam, it is just style of Bharatanatyam. Okay. So as I told, almost all over the south we have Bharatanatyam. So as the place differs, the little bit of the style differs. Okay, there are many types of Bharatanatyam. There is Tanjavur style of Bharatanatyam, Yakshagana style of Bharatanatyam, and Kalakshetra style of Bharatanatyam. And Kalakshetra style itself has two types of Bharatanatyam. Okay, so today I have learned and I am teaching Kalakshetra style of Bharatanatyam. Okay, so everybody can sit down now. Now we'll learn little bit about Hastas or Mudras. Now what is Hastas or Mudras? So when you did Namaskara, you just did this and all, no? So all these gestures which we do in your hands has names in Bharatanatyam. So these are called as Hastas or it is called as Mudras. Okay, so now we have single-handed Hastas which we'll do in only one hand, and we have double-handed Hastas which we do it in two hands. Okay, single-handed Hastas are called as Asanyutta Hastas. Am I clear? It is called as Asanyutta Hastas. And double-handed Hastas are called as Sanyutta Hastas. Okay, now Asanyutta Hastas we have 28 Hastas or 28 Mudras. And Sanyutta Hastas we have 24. Okay, so today we just learn few of them. Okay, so first we learn Asanyutta Hastas. Now what is Asanyutta? As I told you, it is single-handed Hastas. Okay, can we? This is Patakaha. Everybody in right hand, please. Samiksha, right hand. Yes, everybody right hand. Adya, right hand. Everybody right hand. This is Patakaha. Clear with the name? This is Patakaha. Yes, now bend this finger. This is Tripatakaha. This is Tripatakaha. Now bend another finger. This is Ardhapatakaha. Ardhapatakaha. Now this is Kartari Mukaha. This is Kartari Mukaha. Okay, can we do it from first? Patakaha, Tripatakaha, Ardhapatakaha, Kartari Mukaha. Yes, Patakaha, Tripatakaha, Ardhapatakaha and Kartari Mukaha. So no one has doubt with these four mudras? Shall I go forward? Yes, Mayurakyo, Mayurakyo, Ardhachandrasya, Arala, Shukatundakaha. Shukatundakaha. Can we tell it one more time? Mayurakyo. Naisha, not like this, like this. Mayurakyo, Ardhachandrasya, Arala, Shukatundakaha. Mayurakyo, Ardhachandrasya, Arala, Shukatundakaha. Okay, now we will start. 1, 2, 3, start. Tayya tam. Tayya tam. Tayya tam. Tayya tam. Tayya tam. Tayya tam. Don't lose your Armandi. Tayya tam. Tayya tam. Tayya tam. Tayyatam, Tayyatam, Tayyatam. Armandi, Naisha, you are losing. Adya Gowda losing. Tayyatam. Adya City Narmandi. Tayyatam. Avyan City Narmandi. Tayyatam. Hridaya City Narmandi. Tayyatam. Sachi City Narmandi. Tayyatam. 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 Drishti Good Armandi. Tayyatam. 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 City in Armandi. Arna, very good. Tayyatam. Saksham in Armandi. Tayyatam. 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 Sit. Tayyatam. 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 You should not lose your Armandi. Tayyatam. Tayyatam. Adya Gowda, good. Tayyatam. Tayyatam. Sit in Armandi. Tayyatam. 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 Yes. Very good. So now the second step is simple. You have to tap 2 times. You used to tap 1 time, no? That was your first step. Now you have to tap 2 times. Can we do? We'll all do together. 1, 2, 3, start. Tayyatam. 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 City Narmandi. Tayyatam. Tayyatam. Armandi. Tanisi Armandi. No Armandi. Tayyatam. Tayyatam. Avyan Armandi. Tayyatam. Hridaya slow but in Armandi. Tayyatam. Sachi fire into doing. Tayyatam. Hridaya no. Sit in Armandi and do slow. Tayyatam. 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 Second speed. Tayyatam. 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 Sachi Armandi. Tayyatam. 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 Third speed. Tayyatam. 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 Naisha, slow, little slow. Don't go that slow. I mean that fast. Sit in Armandi. Third speed we will do one more time. 1, 2. Sit in Armandi. 1, 2, 3. Start. Tayyatam. 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 Okay. So all these are steps. I mean first Tattadu steps are just to get a good balance on for your Aramandi. Okay. I am seeing few of them are doing really good with their Aramandi, but some are losing their Aramandi. That's totally fine because first class, first time for everybody it happens. But only practice can just practice to get good Aramandi. Okay. We learned just a small bit of introduction of Bharatanatyam and we learned how to do Namaskara. We learned what is Aramandi position. We learned 2 steps of Tattadavu and we learned 8 mudras. We will learn little other things about Bharatanatyam. So now everybody knows how to walk, no? But in Bharatanatyam we have little different. You have to walk little different. Okay, so now we'll just learn Bharatanatyam walking style. Okay, can we learn that? So I want everybody to stand. Now we'll do one small thing. Now I want everybody to stand and walk. Can everybody walk? Just a normal walk. Lift your leg and can you see my leg? Lift. Can we? 1, 2, 3. Clear now? 1, 2, 3. Start. Tayyatam. 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 Avyan Armandi. Tayyatam. Tayyatam. Hridaya slow. Tayyatam. 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 Trisha Armandi. Tayyatam. 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 Don't move like this. Be straight. Tayyatam. 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 Yes, yes. And see, one of the students. What is that? Okay, Adya Gowda. You have to sit in Narmandi and do. That doesn't mean you have to do that. Don't do this. Okay, you have to sit in Narmandi. Only your legs should move. Tayyatam. Tayyatam. Don't do this. Okay, sit in Narmandi. And I saw two of the students doing this case. Tayyatam. 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 Yes, yes, yes. Now no one has any questions? For Namaskara, no need to sit in Aramandi. You can stand straight. Yes. Tap your right leg. Left leg. Stretch. On your shoulder. Stretch again. Stand on your toes. Sit down. Yes, Namaskara here. 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 Down to the stage. And here. Join your hands. And get up. Yes, so everybody can leave the class now. If you have any doubts, you can, or any questions, you can ask me, or else you can just leave the class. Thank you.